difference between open source hardware and open source software is not so much the source code. You've got it available on public repositories, but it's a work which remains to be done afterwards. So when you've got the open source software, it's a matter of hours to get to something which works. You use basically free tools to recompile whatever software you've downloaded and get an executable that you can use. For open source hardware, there is still lots of work to do. You've got the specification of the chip or the definition of the chip, but then you need to do the layout and to go all the way to the final tape out, which will go to the fab and then to go to the fab and all that. So it consumes quite a bit of time, requires bigger team than software usually, and costs quite a bit of money. I think that the open source hardware will probably become very widespread. But the question is how long will it take, because the manufacturing cycles are much longer, so it will take much time to get to mature hardware and take much more money. So the question is, will it be in 3, 5, 10 or 20 years? I just don't know, but my guess is that it will become as pervasive as open source software.